Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss dehydration of alcohol. For dehydration of alcohol, dehydrating agent used will be protic acid, means concentrated H2SO4. Sometimes it is phosphoric acid, alumina can be used, P2O5 or P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide can be used. Right now we have these two examples, acid, sulfuric and phosphoric acid. We consider three type of alcohol: 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. We consider three type of different alcohol for this type of reaction. OH containing carbon is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. CH3, CH2OH. Name of this compound is ethanol. Valency of carbon is 4. This is alpha carbon, both are beta carbon here, CH3, CH3. So here we have 4 valency of carbon, 1, 2, 3. 3 methyl groups are attached. So this is type 3 degree alcohol, this is 2 degree alcohol and this is 1 degree alcohol. IUPAC name of 2 degree alcohol is propane-2-ol. And here it is 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propane-2-ol. 2-methyl propane-2-ol. For different types of alcohol, we have different concentrated or different type of acid as a dehydrating agent. In this case, we have concentrated sulfuric acid as a dehydrating agent and temperature required is 443 Kelvin. In this case, 85% acid H3PO4 is used as a dehydrating agent and temperature required 440 Kelvin. For 3 degree alcohol, only 20% acid is required for dehydration. H3PO4 20%. And 358 Kelvin temperature is required. So, in this case, H2, 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 that means byproduct will be H2. OH minus from alpha, H plus from beta. OH minus from alpha, H plus from any one of this beta. OH minus from alpha and H plus from beta. So I am writing product here. Double bond always will form between alpha and beta. So our product is CH2 double bond CH2. In this case, suppose this alpha from alpha carbon, here OH minus removed and from beta H plus is removed. So double bond will form between this alpha and beta. In this case, we consider this alpha beta. So final product I am writing here, alkene. In this case, CH3 carbon, CH3 double bond CH2. In short, by dehydration of alcohol, we obtain alkene. Alkene is final product. Name of this final product is ethene. 1, 2, 3. Name of this compound is prop1ene. 1, 2, 3. And last one is 2-methyl prop1ene. So I am writing here as of dehydration process. In alcohol, 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. This is the order. This is the reactivity. So very simple process we have. Always dehydration of alcohol will give alkene as a product, and we have different reagent, dehydrating agent, useful for this type of dehydration process. Thank you.